Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Hello little stars. It's bedtime and time to play a calm multiplication quiz under the shining sky. Are you ready to guess the right answers? Let's begin softly. Here's your first question. What is 2 times 3? Let's check the options. Is it 5 or 6 or 7 or maybe 8? Think carefully. The correct answer is 6. Great start. 2 times 3 equals to 6. Next one. What is 4 times 2? Let's check the options. Is it 6 or 7 or 8 or maybe 9? Think carefully. The answer is 8. You are doing amazing. 4 times 2 equals to 8. Here comes another one. What is 3 times 5? Let's check the options. Is it 10 or 12 or 15 or maybe 18? Think carefully. The answer is 15. You are counting like a star. 3 times 5 equals to 15. Let's try the next one. What is 2 times 6? Let's check the options. Is it 8 or 10 or 11 or maybe 12? Think carefully. Yes, the correct answer is 12. Excellent work. 2 times 6 equals to 12. Can you guess this one? What is 5 times 2? Let's check the options. Is it 8 or 9 or 10 or maybe 12? Think carefully. The correct answer is 10. Great start. 5 times 2 equals to 10. Now for the last question. What is 3 times 4? Let's check the options. Is it 9 or 10 or 11 or maybe 12? Think carefully. The correct answer is 12. Wow, great job little mathematician. 3 times 4 equals to 12. Wow, you did such a wonderful job. You guessed all the multiplication answers so well. Now it's time to relax and dream about numbers and stars. Good night, little mathematicians. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more learning videos.
Goodbye.